In this video, we will learn how to use auto filter in Excel sheet. So let's start this my Excel sheet. I have here some huge data. Here you see total 9,995 row in this my data. So I'm using here the auto filter to quick filter. So just go to the file tab, go to the more option, click on the option. Here you see Excel option. Go to the Quick Access Toolbar. In Quick Access Toolbar have a popular command. Select the here all commands option. Wait for 2 seconds. Here you see all commands it show. Now select the any option and write auto. Here you see auto option is showing. Now select the auto filter and click on the add option. Here you see in Quick Access Toolbar already have a 3 option added. Now I added auto filter. The auto filter position is 4, means save position 1, undo 2 and 3 quick print, and fourth position is auto filter. So remember this position, 4 position. Okay, then click on OK. Now here you can see in Quick Access Toolbar auto filter is added. Now if you want to search as per the subcategory, now the I just select the art and use the shortcut key Alt 4. 4 because my auto filter position in Quick Access Toolbar is 4. Therefore I have press Alt 4. When I select the art option subcategory and I press the Alt 4, only art category is filtered here. See, all data is a art filter. See, now I press the Ctrl Z. Now I select the paper and press the key Alt 4. See here all paper subcategory filter data. Here you see I just press the Ctrl Z to undo. I select the product name Xerox 1971 and I press the Alt 4 to filter it. Here you see all 1971 product is filtered. So this is a way you can use the auto filter by using the only shortcut key. You do not need to use the filter to go to the data home. You just select the product and press your shortcut key as per your auto filter position. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.